Skincare on the road should be super simple. Just continue the same thing from home into your vacation. For instance, if you cleanse, moisturize, and treat at home, that's the same thing you want to do when you're on vacation as well. So when you're traveling, you want to think about, of course, your general skincare, but also think about your destination. So certain conditions and climates can certainly affect your skin. For instance, you can have situations where your skin becomes dry and irritated based on how humid the environment is or a lack of humidity. Certain conditions can cause irritation based on the UV index if you go to a really sunny place. You can have an increased sun exposure, which makes your skin very sensitive. That's why I like the On-the-Go Beauty Minis, because you can find so many fun items in this section. Skincare can be so serious, but actually it's pretty fun. Of course, you want to make sure that you are choosing products to continue your routine, right? So you want your gentle cleanser, gentle moisturizer, and sun protection every single day. But what I really love about this section is that you can discover new products. For instance, you're in a rush to get to the airport and you forget to shave your legs. I mean, there's a 24-hour moisture shave cream that you can pick up to shave your legs as well too. Now, one of the things I hear about all the time in office is, should I double cleanse? Well, since CVS has the On-the-Go Beauty Minis, they have these adorable cleansing balms that you can use right before you use your gentle cleanser. Another thing that I thought was really amazing, if you have acne when you're on vacation, no problem. Just select some acne dots that you can use as well. The assortment just gets better and better. Like for instance, the Skin Gym Ready Set Blot Powders. You just stick this in your fanny pack because you know you're gonna be hiking a lot while you're on vacation, and you can blot out oil so simple while you're vacationing. You're at the pool and you're really hot. You can use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. It feels very soothing, especially on skin that even though you've used your sunscreen, it could feel a little irritated when you've been out in the sun for a while. It's really nice to use this facial spray to soothe your skin. So all in all, this is just a great section to, of course, find the things that you use at home every single day, your cleansing, your moisturizing, your sun protection. But it's also a really great way to discover new products and products that you don't think you'll need, but you end up using while you're on vacation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on the CVS YouTube channel.